When you enter the mosque, you must try to sit in the first row on the prayer mat that is directly behind the Imam. To change your position, that is sometimes sit in a right corner or sometimes in a left corner. And also try to sit first and middle row in the mosque. But avoid sitting in the last row when already middle rows are empty or there is some space to sit apart from it. As soon as you enter the mosque, don't sit but perform 2 rakats of Tahiyyatul Wudu. After that, perform the 2 rakats of Tahiyyatul Salah. After that, perform the 2 rakats of Tahiyyatul Masjid. Or perform 4 rakats of Sunnah Salah. If we are going to perform the 4 rakats of Sunnah Salah in our Zuhr, Asr or Isha Salah, we can make the niyat of above 4 rakats, that is of Tahiyyatul Salah and Masjid. Allah will reward you for all these intended prayers. Similarly, when you enter a mosque for Fajr Salah, where there are only 2 rakats of Sunnah before first Salah, you can't perform any other Salah, as after Fajr Salah, call, and before its Salah, there are no Nafil Salah, so you can perform any other Salah at that time. Anyway, as soon as you enter the mosque, stand in a first row and perform every Sunnah and optional Salah. We should perform Salah in first row because if we perform Salah in last row, it can create problems for other worshippers to pass by that side, and we can become the source of pain for the other worshippers. At first, you should seek space in first row. If it's full, so stand in second row. If it's full, then it's third row, and if it's full, then the fourth row. Thus, never sit in the last when there is space in remaining rows.